South Africa applies a residence-based income tax system, which means that persons regarded as South African tax residents are, subject to certain exclusions, taxed on their worldwide taxable income, irrespective of where that income is earned. In certain instances, there are also source and deemed source rules which may apply. From the perspective of a company, any organization which is incorporated, established, or formed in South Africa, or which has its place of effective management in South Africa, would be regarded as being tax resident of South Africa. At a fundamental level, there are two types of corporate entities which can be established in South Africa, namely a company, either private or public, and an external company. All companies established in South Africa are taxed at a standard tax rate, with dividends withholdings tax applicable to private and public companies, but not to external companies. Companies are permitted to have a tax year of assessment that coincides with its financial year end, with income tax returns submitted 12 months after the end of that financial year. Companies are also required to file provisional tax returns. This is not a separate tax, but a provision for the taxpayer's final tax liability for that year of assessment. In addition, South Africa does have in place a headquarter company regime and also accommodates for the taxation of controlled foreign companies, or what are commonly known as CFCs. South Africa has in place comprehensive transfer pricing legislation, which in principle aligns with the OECD transfer pricing guidelines. This means that the overriding principle is that affected transactions as defined between connected persons or associated enterprises must be conducted at arm's length. There are no specific thin capitalization rules, and the country does not allow for advanced pricing arrangements, although this is currently under consideration. South Africa does apply the three-tiered approach to transfer pricing documentation, being a country-by-country report, a transfer pricing master file, and a transfer pricing local file. Should you require more detailed guidance on taxation in South Africa, please feel free to contact us.